We'll guide you through how to fix headphones not detected in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows button and go and click on Settings. Then come over to the left and click on System, and you need to go into Sound. Now what you want to do is quickly check this list in case you see them here. However, you may not do if they're not being detected. So scroll down into Advanced and click on More Sound Settings. You'll go and get this pop-up and you want to go into Playback. And then all you want to do is scroll through here and go and look for them. Because I've got mine here and they're actually disabled, then what I can do is right click on it and go and enable them. Then what you can do is press OK and come back to your sound settings, and I'll come back to playback or output, and I can then go and select them. They've actually been automatically selected. And that's it. So yeah, go and see if that fixed your problem by enabling them. However, if your headphones weren't showing up on that list there, that may be because they need a specific driver. So go and research if there's any specific drivers they need. And also you may just need to get the correct audio drivers for your computer. So you can go and check that. On my computer, I use Realtek Audio. I'll just show you, I can type it in, Realtek Audio. So yeah, make sure you've got the correct drivers installed. After you've installed them, they should then be listed here and you should be able to go and use them and they'll be detected. Another thing to check is that you've correctly plugged them into the correct port as well, because there can be different ports you may have plugged them into and that's why they aren't being detected. And you can always try plugging them into a different port if possible on your computer, because one may not be working, for example, and that will hopefully get them detected. If that still doesn't work, then I'd just go and make sure the headphones do actually work, as they may be faulty, so try them with a different device. If you found this useful, then leave a like.